help me hurt you!
Hurt me.
Yesterday I met the postman, bringing packages from England. I smiled as to not provoke him, then asked what's up with the gun, man. It's been so hot in here for days, the ice cream's melting. Given the means and the ways, the sex is helping. I lost directions to the microwaving needles. Captain Anthony. Now I try to keep my head above my shoes, especially in front of new wave hairdos. A dying man said to me with his stare, selling crack in New Bonnet. To offend or annoy or strike a bad note. It's not to damage or destroy or say a bad word. I gave directions to the nearest coffee shop, so maybe he'd stop, so maybe he'd stop. To go, 'cause this life can bring you down so
사랑하지 않네. 네가 내게 선물한 까만 열매를 삼켜버린 그날부터 영원히 회색이 되어버린 나의 앙상한 날들. 널 사랑하지 않아. 그러나 난 영원히 너를 떠날 수 없네. 내가 달게 삼켰던 까만 열매를 꺼내버린
anytime.
Flying in the air, fool. That ain't no flying soft, sir. I'm shooting webs like worldwide. Manhattan all the way to Yonkers. When they say Brooklyn, stand up, you better just fix your posture. And every hero needs this theme song. So you ain't got a chance, boy. What you think? I'm doing everything but the kitchen sink. I try to be feeling in the neighborhood. I know all the little grannies wanna sip their tea. And here you come, all barging in, all ugly like a brown fur cardigan. We can skip the monologue and the arguing. I'm like, here trying to start a riot. Trying to start a riot. Let's rock and roll. So high up, I can't see the flow. There he go. It's a play, it's a UFO. From the phone, let me know if you brought that action. It don't matter. Just let me know. No, my way. I'm coming through with my crew to make a play. I don't need no super suit. I'm feeling brave. Don't be a hero. Turn around and walk away. Wait. Who in here trying to start a riot? Who in here trying to start a riot? Who in here trying to start a Every day is like a sticky situation when evil's looking for a chance. And I know we are the newest generation. We got the power in our hands. We're slinging through the trenches. I'm coming through with my crew to make a play. I don't need no super suit. I'm feeling. When I say Brooklyn, stand up, you better just fix your posture. And every hero needs this theme song. So who in here trying to start a riot? Trying to start a riot. Who in here trying to start it? Bang. Who in here trying to start it? Who in here trying to start it? It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never lands, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on,
I'm so insecure, I think that I'll die before I drink. And I'm so caught up in the news of who likes me and who hates you. And I'm so tired that I might quit my job, start a new life. And they'd all be so disappointed, cause who am I if not exploited? And I'm so sick of 17, where's my fucking teenage dream? If someone tells me one more time, enjoy your youth, I'm gonna cry. And I don't stick up for myself, I'm anxious and nothing can help. And I wish I'd done this before, and I wish people liked me more. All I did was try my best, it's the kind of things I get. I'm relentlessly upset. They say these are the golden years, but I wish I could disappear. Ego crush is so severe. God, it's brutal out here. No one wants me, and I hate the way I'm perceived. I only have 2 real friends, and lately I'm a nervous wreck. Cause I love people I don't like, and I hate every song I write. And I'm not cool, and I'm not smart, and I can't even parallel park. All I did was try my best, it's the kind of things I get. I'm relentlessly upset. They say these are the golden years, but I wish I could disappear. Ego crush is so severe. God, it's brutal out here. Just having a really good time. Got a broken ego, broken heart. God, I don't even know where to start.
Every girl from here to Soho loves to tell me things I don't know. Beautiful and smart and no good for me at all. All your boyfriends go to film school. It's beautiful, so smart, and no good for me at all. Yeah, everyone is better than me. I think throw your hands up if you agree with me. Now everyone is better than me. I think everyone is better than me. Better than
Deeper